We finally gonna react again. Yes, I said let's react again. So it's been a long time I haven't reacted, and now let's do. I don't know how to say. Yeah. Let's react this. So let's just not waste this time. So this is seven. Oh, this is already okay. So this one is season one of the craziest nature clips ever. So let's go to it.
These are the craziest nature videos from the past 10 years.
And let's see. Oh, bro. Oh my god. But guys, don't worry. You're not gonna be scared because no one was harmed. Harm means no one was hurt.
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
Bro, all they do is, bro, you do not need a bag in a backyard.
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
How is this not in the city? Bro, dude, this flying the boat. Nobody was hurt.
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves. Back in 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot.
In Argentina, I don't know what they are talking about, but they're Argentinian. What's going on? Oh my god. Look how many boulders were there. Look at that.
This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet.
Wait, he forgot his wallet? Bro. Is it a lighting?
Back in 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain.
Rick? Oh my god. You call this a mudslide? Bro, that car is destroyed. Bro, look at that grandma. That grandma literally just watching and see this. That's crazy. And this one, oh my god.
In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks.
Falling rocks? Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. You almost hit them, bro. Thankfully, no one
In 2014, this volcano exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Papua New Guinea.
Here we go.
Bro, you can see the shockwave. There's a shockwave.
Where do we get to move?
Oh my god.
On November 30th, 2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska.
7.0 earthquake? And originally you gotta say Teramoto. Yeah. That's how to say
This volcano in Indonesia erupted and created some of the craziest volcano lightning you'll ever see.
Pretty sure this is like, oh my god. No way that's real. No way that's real. Bro, is this actually real? No way.
Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year.
Oh my god. Bro, the whole target, bro,
Back in 2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow.
I've never seen that before. Never.
also got to experience what snow and lightning is like.
Got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get wet. And look up, like, our street is starting to flood.
Oh
Imagine
my
seeing
God.
this on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December 2017.
Jesus. What? How? They call that Wi-Fi.
Back in 2019, this giant landslide happened in China.
Landslide? What is landslide? Oh. This is a landslide? Bro, all the cars are cool.
About 12 months ago, a super intense tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois.
Bro, this is crazy.
This
Oh
hailstorm
my
in Texas
God.
was so intense that the hail started coming inside the home.
Bro, that's weird. Bro, they're like baseball on the side. Are they baseball?
He left something outside in the
I think
rain and had to go get it.
so. Baseball on the side. Oh, yeah. Bro just
About
shot.
7 months ago, these people in China were dealing with some pretty crazy wind.
But. What? Bro.
Here's another rock slide video that happened in China in 2023.
What? Bro, that was just loud. That was.
Back in 2015, Los Angeles had a very rare tornado event.
Rare tornado event. Oh my God. What? Oh,
About 6 years ago, these people recorded their escape from a wildfire in California.
no one is hurt. YouTube, don't worry. No one was hurt. Nobody. Not at all. Oh my God. Bro, you're tired? Bro, your tires are getting like burned.
This reporter in France got a little too close to this wave.
France? Use there. Okay, what are these people doing?
Back in 2018 in Hawaii, this car was parked in the worst spot possible.
Oh my God. Bro, this car is cooked. Yep. This car is cooked. How they even bro, I don't know.
In May 2016, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Kansas was spotted.
Oh my God.
That's good.
Bro, I think this is like
I know that icebergs are bigger underwater than above water, but this is kind of crazy.
I said studios. I said, I don't know how to pronounce. Oh my God. Bro, this is crazy. Oh my God, this is a giant iceberg.
In Pakistan in 2018, these people got a little too close to this avalanche.
Guys, run! What are you guys doing? Bro,
In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland.
Wait, really?
This giant boulder came within inches of crushing this house.
Boulder?
Unfortunately, 2 other boulders managed to break free and destroy the other side of the house.
Oh, bro, his backyard is like, I don't know, it's a...
In 2019, this cruise ship near Norway encountered some heavy seas.
Get that on video.
In 2021,
Guys, let's stop right now because, yeah, I gotta stop because the video is gonna be too long. So we'll stop right here. So, enjoy it, and if you enjoy it, then like and subscribe right now, and bye.